Oh, hey, what's going on, guys? Hey, you caught me at a bad time, dude. It's winter time. I got my slip-ons on, drinking beer, drink a lot of beer. Yeah, I just want to give you a prequel of our upcoming episodes of what we're going to be doing. It's a lot of loose things. All right, I just want to keep you on the edge of your seat on that one. The first thing I want to tell you about, and we're going to go vehicle to vehicle here. It's my daily driver, just a 2003 Honda Accord LX Coupe. Ain't nothing special. Makes 240 horsepower to the wheels. You got 6-speed transmission. It's garbage, dude. Don't even look at it. I try not to beat on it, you know. Then we got this guy over here. We're gonna bring back the beater car sequel. All right, it's gonna be loose. We're gonna beat this thing into the ground. It's got a blown head gasket, 1991 Mazda 323, 1.6 inline 4, 5-speed, tall shifter, loud. And yeah, stay tuned for that one. That's gonna be our next video. That's gonna be a loose one. Then we got my girlfriend's car right here, 1972 Nova. That's right, you heard me correctly. That's my girlfriend's car. It is a 350 with a turbo 350 transmission, 10-bolt rear, mild, gets out of its own way. It really turns heads. It's a rowdy car, a bit loud. It's all about the loudness. And then the Wagon, it's still alive. It's still here. I never junked it. There was some hearsay about like, oh, Peabody's gonna junk it. It's never gonna happen. The motor's sitting in it, the 5.3 with the big cam, turbo 400. I mean, I just gotta do some wiring and she's ready to go. Then we gotta go over here and check out the green truck. Yeah, here it is. The green truck you saw doing a smoky burnout at the rich guy's house in Car Sounds 3. Glad you guys liked and subscribed on that one. That was a real toughie. Anyway, this is a 3.9 V6 TBI 727 trans, and it's the fourth 8 1/4 rear I've blown up. That's why it's sitting over here. It looks bad, but it runs good. This thing does burnouts like no other. It's got 411 gears in it, posi unit, and now I'm going to be building another one. So stay tuned on this one. It's getting a V8, and that's actually going to get its own episode itself. But I actually want to start it up for you. Just let you know it's still alive. Check it out.